There you go.
Ah, you son of a bitch.
Oh, you should have knocked that one over.
Yeah, sick time.
Move it over a little bit to the right.
Good.
There you go.
Yeah, move you over.
No, Tyler, you know what?
There.
See?
It's too late now, though. I'm shitting the bed.
Go to Costco tomorrow to get their contacts. We can take your thing and put it in the thing, and you can have it put on the CD and delete it.
What? I want to print them out, though.
You're not printing them all out.
Push A.
Hold A, Carm.
Push A.
B, rather.
Or B.
There you
Good
go.
one.
I understand.
Kick it over. Kick it over now. Move it over. Keep going. You're going to go right in the
Go back.
That's right, Kelly. You're supposed to, the object of the game is when you get a split, is to get two.
Right. No, it's right there on that level. Back against the wall. And that's how it was. You want to finish that? Strike. Oh.
Oh.
Yeah.
Why are you taking pictures of his bowling pin?
There could be.
No, I'm videotaping it.
Oh, he's making a video. Mine makes videos.
You can make a video on your
camera?
I'm recording it right now.
You could do it.
And I zoom it in towards the TV when he's done.
I can't believe Tyler didn't bring mine after he's playing with it.
I'll go to the
Well, they should have let us practice
Yes.
first, right, Carm? This should be a practice. Sure,
It's a
sure.
tournament.
We're good, Carm. We played twice in our lives.
Oh, boo-hoo.
Oh.
Oh, that's a smelly one.
Not over. Yeah. Oh, you did.
Oh.
Aww.
Yeah.
Kicked it out.
Oh, I got 65. She's got 90.
That's what it looks like. She's even.
Strike. Hold the pin, huh? Hold the thing on B, not hold A and B. B.
There you go. Oh, that's what it is. You're
That's
doing
a
it.
suck. Oh!
Oh.
Now you gotta get that one.
No shit, I didn't know that. Right, what happened here?
You did it wrong. Press A. Press A. Now hold B.
I know I'm moving. I know how to do that. I just can't throw the ball.
People wonder what the hell's going on. That's a gutter ball.
It is like hell.
Spare.
Look pretty with a bra. You look pretty with a bra.
You're a dick.
I love the features on that camera.
On
Look at
mine.
Mom, she's adjusting her lens and everything.
Yeah. That's did nothing.
Sure she did.
Did you see Papa was an evil princess?
Watch out, Mama's ball.
Get out of the way. You interrupted my game.
Yeah, what game?
So far, I'm winning.
Interruptions it.
I am interruptions.
Oh, way.
You do not.
I don't think I have permission to make this a rated R movie, thank you very much.
What are we doing? I gotta release this one when?
No, you just push
You forgot to push B. You have to hold B.
So I can get rid of that A? I just don't have to hold it in?
Ever. Just B.
Just B. Once you push A to line yourself up like that, leave A alone. Just hold
Just
B.
take my finger off it now, right?
Yeah, they.
After you wind up.
There you
Yeah,
go.
I have to figure that out.
Oh my god.
And then we strapped it away like it's all that.
I wonder how stupid.
See that? Another one of those you can pick Mom.
Nah. Oh man, so cocky now.
The bad one, she's gonna have an 8-5 split.
Your ass.
An 8-5 split.
Whatever that, uh-oh. Oh,
Oh
gotta
man.
line it up, Dick. We call them the cops. What are the people doing next door?
We hear bowling pins.
That's nice, beautiful.
Now Pop-Pop's all set. Now he's going to be able to pull another strike.
No, he's not.
Set yourself up with A. Okay, now just hold B.
And hold B till you're ready to fling. You're a dick.
That's still a split.
Right up the middle. Oh, sorry, you only got one.
Alright. What's the hard to get?
But he's got 113.
So sorry, you already got one.
How many do I have? I don't know. We're waiting for you. your next
You're
ball.
gonna have a bad news, Charlie.
I wonder how...
109 plus this ball.
Oh, that's good. Oh,
Oh, wow.
you get a split, you nerd.
Yeah, you're winning by 4.
Oh,
Mama,
That's
you only
all?
got
Oh, yeah.
117 now. You caught up with that strike. If you had 2 of them, it would have put you ahead.
there's a gutter block.
Uh-oh.
Put your feet up.
You are such nice people.
I wonder how long I can keep taping this.
Almost got
I'm,
Oh, you go again.
I have... It's...
Yeah, you got one more.
So far I'm past... So far I'm past... So far
Right
I'm...
now you have a 127.
Mom, so far I'm past 5 minutes and 30 seconds.
Oh, that's
Good
good.
one, good one.
What-
Oh.
Do I go again?
Hey, you
Mike, what's going on? You got a 137, I only got a 144, and Mike only got a 149, so.
So you could be still in the tournament, facing me.
You can be the next one.
Ah, come on.
Oh, strike, the old guy, right, he fell down.
Got 2 more now. Think possible, another
How funny goes again?
It's about another
It goes 3 times, it's the 10th
It's
frame.
the 10th frame.
You got 9, then 1, then all of them.
Oh, I hooked over.
Now you gotta get these 3.
3 more.
Oh, shit.
6 minutes now. What the heck? How long could my videos go?
You can go as long as you want.
There you go, we got it.
Oh,
Oh.
127.
132.
oh, he was like, why?